to show you the basics of Google Docs. So, say I want to open up a new document. I'd go down here and hit New. You can title it. I gotta hook up to my keyboard. I can title it Example. Within here, I can choose the color of my font. I can highlight my font. I can make bulleted lists. I can bold, italicize. I can strike through. If I want to undo something, I'd click right here. If I want to redo something, I do that. Now, if I click right here, I can choose my font. I choose that one. I can make it bigger. I can change the color, even the shade of the color. Over here is where I can adjust where I put the text. I can adjust the spacing and the alignment. So, there we go. If I click this plus, I could say highlight this and add a link. Or I could put a comment in and say, hey, peer that I'm working with, you need to fix this. Bam. And I can tell that person, hey, you need to fix this. If I ever leave edit mode, there is usually that little pen in the corner that I can click on to go back into edit mode. I can insert an image. I can put in a table, and I can choose how many columns or rows I have. I can put in a horizontal line like that. If I wanted to format it like that, I can put page numbers in. I could do all these things. Another important thing I should show you is how to change the layout, but most importantly, how to make a copy. So say your teacher shares something with you and says make a copy so that you cannot edit their master copy. You go to the three dots over here. You're going to go to share and export, and you would go to make a copy. And it makes you a copy. You can change the title of it if you would like. But yeah, that's your copy. That's just the basic rundown of Google Docs. And when you're done with it, you can always click that check mark. And if you want to go back to editing, you can click the pen.